Okay, so good morning everyone and good evening everyone. Welcome back in today's class. Today's topic is going to be a little different. Okay, what we are going to be seeing, let me share my screen. And we'll start the discussion on that front. Okay, so we done the reporting part, right? We created the reports, we use the reports, and all the things will be there. Now, if you remember, when we do the reporting stuff, we are able to create a report on a single table at a given point of time, right? Either you can go for the incident, change, CMDB, problem, knowledge, like this. Let me show you. Maybe that will give you a little more insights then. Okay. Let it be load completely. Okay. So now if you go here and see, you can select only and only one table, not more than that. Let me say I want to create an incident. I want to create a report on the incident table here. Can I select any other table on the given point of time? I cannot select. Agree everyone on this part? Yes or no?
Yes, Atul.
Yes. So now being a customer, what is my requirement? See, if you are a customer, you want that I want to see a combination of X, Y, and Z. X belong to society A, Y belong to society B, and Z belong to society C. But I want to see a record, I want to see a data of these three in a combination. Then what to do? Then ServiceNow says there's a concept called the database view. Database view. What this view mean here? What is the purpose of this view here? Okay. The view says, if you remember in the database perspective, the view say you can join two or more tables, right? If you remember the database terms, left join, right join, inner join, and outer join. It means in this area, you are using more than one table to get your data. Correct? So the same thing is going to be happen in ServiceNow as well. Let's take example. I am a customer. I want a record. I want to see the records where incident plus SLA should be come together. You will say, Atul, what's hard in this part? Let me go here. Let me show you in the list view. Okay. Now, if I add a new field here, let's call the SLA. SLA due, SLA. Where is the SLA timings? Business elapsed time, business left time. Let me see, is breach time is there? Breach time is not there. It means you will say, Atul, don't worry, open any incident like this and go to the related list. And you can see the SLA there. And you go and see the SLA here. But these are coming from the different table. and this record is coming from the different table. Now we will do a join of these two to get my results, and that concept is called the database view. Okay, now let me go here. Database view. What it says is that this is the place where you can join two tables and get your results. So I'll show you some inbuilt out of the box one. This one, incident SLA. Let me open it. What it's saying that I want to create a table. I want to see database view are not a table actually. They are just a temporary place where your data has been stored for a time being. So what it's saying, join the incident to incident SLA task table to get a report of resolved incident as per the incident category and SLA. So what I'm doing here, I'm adding incident is coming from incident table and SLA is coming from the task underscore SLA table. I'm going to join this, add these two tables. And how I can do that part? So I create a database view. I can put any name here. Label and plural are basically two different things just for the business rule perspective. It is come with the S, it is come without S. Okay. The main thing which is required to be understand here is this part. You want to add a table? Yes, I want to add a table. First, I want to add a task SLA table. This one. This is important to understand. Variable prefix. Now let's take example here. In incident table, I have a field called caller. Okay. In SLA table also I have a field called caller. Now if I create a report caller, how you will know that this caller belongs to this table or this table, or this caller belongs to this table or this table? We are not able to recognize, right? Just by seeing the English words. So ServiceNow say use a concept called the variable prefix. Any field which is coming from this particular table will have a prefix like a task SLA table. You can define A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, anything you can mention here. Up to you. Okay. So I said join task SLA with incident one. They have a INC. But now if you remember the database or RDBMS your concepts, what it say? Select star from table AB, BC where or BA where department is equal to IT. What it will do? It will go into the table AB and BA and find out the results where department is equal to IT. It means if IT exists in this table, IT exists in this table, only then it will give me a result. In the same manner in ServiceNow, we have to be do. And we use the concept called the sysid. Let me open it here. What I am doing, what we are doing in the aware clause. Any question in the meantime, go ahead.
तो रैंक पुश कर रहा है क्या भाई?
Sorry? Here. Now let me open an incident. What this means specifically? Where task table underscore task is equal to INC underscore sys underscore ID. Now what is the sys ID for this one? Let me show you. This is the sys ID of this incident record. right? Now I go to the SLA and open this in a separate window. What is the CSID it's showing? The similar one. It says, it means that where the incident CSID is matching with the task table CSID, only those results should be find out. See, this is my which table? Task SLA. This is my which table? Incident. If this CSID is matching in this particular table, then fetch a result for me. And this is the condition we are doing here now. Without the where clause, it will not work for you. What condition it will match? No idea. Clear everyone till this point? Any doubt, any question? Yes, guys. Any doubt, any question? Anyone? Lara, Kane, V, Daytona, Nupur, Bhumi, Deepika, Avi. Say yes or no, I guess.
No questions, Adol.
Okay. Now, if I go here and run this report, run this database view. What is matter here is matter only and only your where clause. Now go to try it. And it will give you the result like this. Now, if you want to add more fields, you can click here. And you will, this thing, INC active, task table active. It means active is a field which is in the both tables. This belongs to incident table, this belongs to the task SLA table. Like this, created by, created by, created by, created. Now you will find all the fields from incident plus the task SLA table. All this you will find out. Because you joined the two tables here. And how I can use this in the reporting? Same, it is a table for the purpose. Go here and now search for the incident underscore SLA. This is a database view. But it named as a table in the service now. Clear. Now, if you go here and search for another database view, maybe change a request. This one. Let me open it. Change task SLA. Change task time work. What matter is matter about this condition? Where clause? Where clause they are mentioned. You can add one more table on the top of that. That's not an issue. This one. So they are saying task time work, change task. Let me add the change table as well. Change underscore request. Like this. And submit. So now it will show me the combination of the three tables. Okay. For you as a consultant, it's only matter that what customer is looking for. In the background, developer will be there who will knowing this particular where clause. Clear everyone, guys? Any doubt, any question till this point? Let me come back here. Yes, for a quick check. Doubt, question, clarification required here. All right, nobody has no question. Or everybody is so clear. Okay, good. Now I come to the second point of today's topic. That concept is called the performance analytics. Now, if you see these reports and type, you can create this many, right? You can configure it. But if I want to know, Atul, tell me percentage of resolved incident, percentage of reopened incident, means where you need the formula specifically. How this will be taken care in ServiceNow. So there's a separate module given by ServiceNow that is called the performance analytics. Okay, this we need to be installed, and this is a subscription based. It means it is a licensed one. It is not coming free of cost. I'm not sure that I have installed that plugin or not. Let me check here. Yes, I have installed. So like this, you can see here, right? I have no much idea about this, but I want to give you a glimpse here so that you should know that if someone say I'm looking for the percentage or formula based kind of things, then you can tell it is possible via PA. We call it in the short, we call it as a PA. Okay. Now what I can say, let me go to the admin console. Let me pick up in the dashboards as well, something good. So this one, this is the admin view. Okay, it's not activated in my system. We need to be activate this. Okay, but let me show you something. PA admin getting started dashboards. Let me show you that how the dashboard look like. Okay. So these are the dashboards based on the PA only. Let me check. Change overview. I want to show some examples so that you can understand that what I'm talking here. Not this one. Change overview here. Okay. No, same thing. No. It's not the dashboard actually. Sorry, it's not the PA part. These things you can get via simple reports only. That's not a big deal. Okay, it's opening this only. Wait. Go to the plugins. Let's try to activate that plugin in the meantime if it's open. Now, upcoming days, you will find like this only, that we are doing some kind of R&Ds only, nothing much. I want to just show you one example so that you can get a clarity here. Let's see if I get it or not. Breakdown. Okay, let me pick up this one. Breakdown source indicator setup. I guess it has been open now. Good. So you can see a lot of things are there, but which we are looking for it to be C. It's all installed. Okay, these are the pending something. Admin console installed. Let me see what it's showing. Okay, let's do this part. Like this. Good. It's open. Good. So like this. Percentage of incident resolved by the first assigned group. Without percentage, you can create your standard reports. But if you want to do any kind of these R&D, then you have to do the PA part only. Like this. Let me open this. Open this. Okay. That what actually we have to be defined here. Okay. Once this plugin will be installed now, you can check easily in my instance. Number of percentage not updated in the last 30 days. It's saying there's no data to analyze that part. Let me come back and let's start here something good point. Not indicator, not widgets. But it is getting started. Come on. Guided setup. I'm waiting just to be installed this quickly. If this install now, we find something good actually to understand, to learn. Let's say what the guided setup says to us. In the meantime, guys, any other doubt, any other question? You're very silent today. Deepika, Avi, Sneha, Kane, Kachi, Vumi, Kunal, Veer, Nupur. Say yes, no, question, not a question.
It's fine for now. Okay, I'm good.
Okay, right. Oh, how much? Why it's taking so much time? Maybe I'm running this thing as well. So it's taking a lot of time to be loaded. I'm not able to find out. Let me show you some examples from the internet only. Let's go for this. So like this, you can see. Okay. This one. This is completely coming from the PA part. So in the PA, you can put your indicators. You can put your breakdowns, and then you can create the reports like this, forecasting, like this, percentage like this. These are the few examples. Store performance one. I want to see that how much stock is going out every day. This can be possible only and only via PA part. Okay, they mention. So what this says here, that to do that part, you have to be start with the guided setup. You have to follow some steps here. What is the main steps here? Indicators. Define the repeating measurements of the performance of a business or a service. Okay. Define the repeating measurement of the performance of a business, service, of a process. Means what you want to measure. I want to measure the success. I want to measure the failure. I want to measure the reassignments. That is called the indicator. Result in series, score over time. That is called the indicator for me. Then breakdown. I want to see how many incident has been reopened in the resolved state. How many type incident has been assigned to X, Y, and Z team. Breakdown. Means you want to see your data in the breaking form to understand, to analyze that part. So like in our class, what is the indicator? When I ask question, you did not reply, or you reply, that is the indicator. Then I try to break down that. Okay, let me take a first easy question, second medium, and third one is a tough question. That is a breakdown for me. Then data collection. From where you are collecting the data. Are you using the ServiceNow tables or you are using some other tables? And finally, it go for the hub part, which we show this thing, just how we are saw a little bit earlier only. And then you can add on the dashboards. Let's click on the get started. This will help us to create a normal PA board. So what it says incident, problem, change, cloud. These are the few I am giving out of the box to you. Let's start this part. Let's create a PA on the incident table. Get started. Review indicators. These are the steps we need to be follow. Indicators is here. If you want to add your own indicators, you can click here. Configure. Let it be load quickly. This one. So like they have these many indicators already given. Close on today, open on today, open on this, resolve today. I want to see the records like this only. See, you can do this thing via reporting as well. But you cannot do the calculation on the standard reporting. So like this, I can say, open it. I'm just doing the modification of the one only. This is the indicators, I can say. On which table, on what is the name of the indicator, you can put it here. Description. When or how you want to see this indicator frequency. I want to see the daily, bi-weekly, quarterly, monthly, you can put it here. On which table you want to put. Okay, and then which condition you want to see. I want to see only the resolved today. I want to see resolved before today. Any incident which is resolved before today, I want to see that only. Okay, and how you want to see? It's a list view. Yes. Let me save that. So what I'm indicating here, I want to see the resolved incidents. That is the first part I have done. Let me do this part. Okay. Now let me go back to the get started. कहाँ गया वो? That will take again time. This one. So let me say mark as a complete here. Because I did not configure anything for me. If you want to configure, you can configure again as per your requirement. Review the indicators that what you have defined, you can review that part. I can mark as a complete. Breakdown. Let me show that what you can break down here. So you can do a breakdown on the basis of the company, on the department, on the group, on the hours, on the days, on the category, on the contact type. So these are the breakdowns. I want to see the incident resolved today, percentage by category, percentage by priority, percentage by state, percentage by location. So you can use that for yourself. Or if you want to get a new, you can get a new source as well. Indicator, sorry, breakdown, not indicator, breakdown. You can do it the similar way, which table you want to do, and then you can go for the breakdown here. And once you've done that part, let me go back. Let me put mark as complete, and collect data. Run history. See, for the PA, the drawback is to get some data. The drawback is minimum 30,000 records are required to analyze something via PA. Okay. Otherwise, it will not give you a useful information. I guess for PA and for the AI, artificial intelligence in service now, if you want to do any kind of analysis of the data, you need minimum to minimum 10 to 20,000 records. Only then you can understand that how this trend is working for me. So you can do the collect data. You can put the table here, that which table you want to be use it. Daily collection or historical data. I said daily collection will be work for me. Then I go back and mark as a complete. Then if you want to add that in the hub, you can add it. As of now, I have no idea that what does this mean specifically, so we can leave it. And finally, we can say view dashboard. If you want to configure this in a dashboard, you can configure the similar which we done earlier as well. Create dashboard, go to tabs, and that you can do that here part easily. Like this. It is my dashboard. Let me see if I can find something good for you. See number of new incidents, date wise. Average, good. This will come from the PA if it is becoming. Nothing is coming because maybe this is not configured properly. Incident new, percentage of new critical incidents, and finally incident results. So this is the way that we use a PA in our service now. You can put a filter condition here that is called the interactive filter, this concept, interactive filters. Atul, let's take example that if this is a dashboard available, I want to see that how many incident has been resolved during the last 1 week. Maybe it's a complete data, 1 year, 2 year data. If you want to for the 1 week, then you can put the interactive filter here. Let me try to show something on this part. Map the filter, this one. Interactive filters you can use, or in the PA you can use this one. Element filters you can put it. Okay. Then you can create your own filters that how I want to show the, or how I want to give an option to the user to check the report as per their requirement. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Yes, guys, everyone clear on that part? let me show if I can get some interactive filter on the top. Not here, like this thing. These are the interactive filter. You can put, you want to see the data of the guest, you can put it. Regular gas margin, you can put it like this. So these are the interactive filters for me. So these kind of things only and only possible in the PA or with the help of the AI only. But to do that part, it required a good amount of data in the system. Otherwise, it will not work for you as you required. Being a consultant, my work is to take a requirement that what customer is looking for, percentage, average, what they're looking for. And after that, I can give it to my team to do that part. Everyone clear fundamental? These PA, these reports, these dashboards are mainly used by the operations team, NOC team, survey desk, just to see the data that how we are fluctuating, how we're doing well today or not. Let me come back here. Yes, guys. Any doubt, any question? Yes, you can ask your question, guys. Don't be confused. No question, no doubt, no clarification. Everyone is so much clear. I can expect either yes or no.
No at all. It's a bit confusing.
It's a bit confusing.
Yes.
Why it's confusing? Tell me, why it's confusing? Let me close other tabs. Tell me.
I don't know. I didn't get that, honestly.
Let's start from the step one. What you did not get. Tell me, okay, tell me what you get till now. Tell me.
I mean,
Go ahead.
I did not understand the PA part.
Okay, anyone else on the same bucket? Don't be shy. Don't feel bad or don't feel sad that what others will be thinking about me now.
For me, it's confusing and it's like it's everywhere. But I just want to feel like I'm going to go through the video again and try to follow up on what you do.
Let me do one thing. Let me log out and log in again because we have installed plugins as well. Okay. Database view is clear, Deepika?
Yes, Atul.
Okay, let me come to this part. No problem. What PA says, we have a standard reports in ServiceNow. Correct. Now be little interactive with me so that I can understand that you will be getting or not. I have no issues to be repeated, but I should get a response as well. In the standard reports, I can create bar, charts, graph, pie, units. Clear? What I can do maximum.
Yes.
I can see the data in the above format. Here, no calculation can be possible. Other than the standard one, average, sum, count is fine. But like percentage is not available in the standard reporting. Right? I want to see that how much time it takes from the group A to group B. How much time I want to know, duration I want to know. Maybe it is a percentage. How much time a change, when a change has been raised, it is in the new state. From new to assess, how much time it takes. From assess to authorize, how much time it takes. From authorize to schedule, how much time it will take. These things you cannot do in the standard reporting. That is the first thing I want to be very clear on that part. Okay. So now if I say, okay, what is the profit? I give example. Deepika purchased a bicycle for 1,000 rupees. She sold out in a 1,200. How much profit she got? How much profit she got? 200.
200.
Now tell me, what is the percentage of profit you get? You need to use some formula to do the calculation of the percentage profit,
Yes, Atul.
right? So these things can be done only in the PA part, not in the standard reportings, where the calculation is required specifically on the percentage area. You cannot do in the standard reporting. You have to come to the PA part. Okay, clear till this point, Deepika?
Yes, Atul.
Sneha, Bukula, Bhumi, Kechi, Kane, Avi, everyone should be. It is not, the repetition is not just for the Deepika, and Deepika, don't take it wrong.
Yes,
I'm
that's
not pointing you. I want to just clarify the things so that we can go step by step. Now, PA
So,
is the
Atul,
module. Sorry, go ahead.
Atul, 1 second. Sorry. So basically, any analysis apart from the normal report will be a part of PA, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe I can tell you, if you get time, I created a video on the process optimization as well on my YouTube. That is also something on the similar concept of the PA only. Okay. So PA says that I am a separate module in service now. पहली बात तो ये. It is a licensed one. Free में नहीं मिलता है. It is not a free of cost. It is a licensed one. Okay. Now what this says in PA, see, in a report, if you want to create a report, what you need? You need a table, you need a type, and you need to configure. Right? To do the things in the PA, you what indicator says, like being a mom, when your kids start going in the school, every day when he or she came from the school, you ask, okay, tell me how much you study today, right? Like you are married, your husband came from the office in the evening and you ask, hey, you look so much tired today. That is the indicator. You are measuring his performance on the part of tiredness, that how much tired it is. He can say, I'm so much tired. Can you say, okay, you tired 50%, you tired 70%? So indicator is the first portion in the PA which tell you that what you want to measure in this area. Clear, everyone? Tell me, guys, everyone clear till this point?
Yes, Atul.
Great. Now, once you get a measurement point, then you go for the breakdown. Same example, your husband says, hey, I'm so much tired. In the evening, he came from office and he say, hey, I'm so much tired, Deepika, today. You ask, what do you ask? Okay, how many meetings you have in a day today? Lunch break, tea break, or what? What you are doing, you are trying to measure his tiredness on these bases, these parameters. He said, I have a 10 meetings for half an hour, so 5 hours gone. Lunch break only for that 10 minutes. Tea break, 0. So you are breaking his tiredness in this parameter like this. So these are called the breakdown systems for me. Clear now?
Yes, Atul.
Okay. Now the next step, go for the data collection. Let me remove this from here now, as of now. Okay. Now you go for the data collection. Okay, tell me, you ask your husband, tell me how many meetings? Today I have 12 meetings. It means for the 6 hours. Okay, lunch break, only 1. Tea break, only 1. Generally I have 5, but now I have 1 only. What you are doing? You are collecting the data for these parameters now. Now, at the last, you will go for the analytics. That my husband says, I am tired, very tired today. In this tiredness, 12% is a meeting area, 1% is a lunch, and 1% is a tea break. Then I'm able to analyze that, but okay, he's saying I'm 50% tired. So to do this percentage of tiredness, we have a calculation in the background over these 3 parameters. Now clear? Everyone.
Yes.
This is for everyone. Clear now?
Yes, Atul.
Great.
Yeah.
Let's move forward. Sorry, go ahead. Any question, anyone? So these things like widgets and dashboard is simply where you want to display that. The main work is done.
Atul, I'm not able to see your screen. Is it a problem only with me?
Let me share it again. Now it's fine. Deepika, Nupur. Sorry, it's Neha. Sorry.
Still, it's not showing up. Let me try disconnecting and reconnecting it, Atul.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. So mainly for the PA, these 4 points are important. Only then you can do the PA part. Now, if I add this thing, that every day your husband say, hey, I'm so much tired. What is the month end condition? For that, you needed data for the complete month to analyze that how much percentage he is tired in a complete month. 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100% also. So we do the indicators, we do the breakdown, and we do the data collection. And then in the background, things work and we get our results here. Deepika, now clear? Any doubt? Any question? Sneha, is you able to see the screen now? So now what we did actually via this guided setup, it says, let's continue. It says if you want to set up your own this thing on the problem management, you can do it. Let me click on the preview here if something working or not. Okay, nothing is there. So it says activate the performance contentment problem management plugin in the configuration record of your instance. Need to be see the plugin is activated or not. See, it is not activated for us. Let me activate this. So what ServiceNow says that I am giving you the separate plugin for the separate modules. For incident is 1, change is 1, problem is 1, request is 1, knowledge is 1. Okay. This is what we are doing here now. I'm just activating this problem management one so that when we configure it, then we can see that what exactly it is be working here. Let me come back here for a minute. In the meantime, it's activating. Yes, Nupur, coming to you. Any question on the PA part?
No, no, Atul, not as of now.
Good. Now, what the homework for you guys? In my instance, go and try to create a PA for you. Okay. Because you all have admin rights. Just go and activate the plugin and then you can check it. Let me go back here, guided setup. See, now it is unlocked for me. This is get started. Let's start it now. What it say? Review the indicator sources. That from where you want to make a indicator. You want to pick up this indicator. Review the provide indicator source to ensure that matches your problem application table structure. Okay, let me click on the configure here. Open, new, close, and problem open. Let me see, add one more here. Or I can click on this configure, it will work or not. H7. Standard daily I want, yes. Report source if you want, that's fine. Otherwise I can put it as a table name here. Problem table. What data I want to see? I want to see created. Before today. Let's keep it very simple one. Okay. And click on the okay. Are we missing something here? Okay, these are the false. Let me add one more field. Okay, these are the false. It's our one gone. Let me make it as a true so that we can. Where I can go and make it as a true, then little tough. Count benchmarking indicators, true. No values. Okay, something like this. It is with there now. Okay, now I go back to the guided setup again. This is just a small one. I'm not sure that this will work for us or not, but we can try something like this only. Now, once indicator has been done, then you can go for the view indicators, or you can go for the breakdown. This one. Breakdown these things. I have these many breakdowns here. Let me try to find out something on the overview in the problem. Is anybody able to see problem? Admin stats, no, not this one. Let me see if I can find out some results here. Because configuration, I think we're not able to do it completely. It's showing only the numbers only. Let me see here for the this is okay. This is a good example. So this is a ServiceNow performance dashboard, PA dashboard. You can see here, right? So these are called the interactive filter. Let me open this in a separate one. Now I got a good option here. I guess we have just only one dashboards only. Okay. So these are coming from the complete PA portion. These things. Show data table, full screen, help. Let me see. Show data table. It's picking up from this. Maybe I want to see the database like this. This is created by ServiceNow and given by ServiceNow only to us. I'm not sure that others are installed and active in my system or not, but I should get something. User experience, performance. So like this is LinkedIn dashboard, Twitter dashboard, which we just installed now. No, only it's showing only this one only. Completely correctness, the similar dashboards it's showing. But for us, the main point which we need to be understand here is that how this PA is working. Sorry, I have only limited knowledge on that part, which I want to be shared with you. If you understand this point, then you are good for the PA part. It's inactive. Yeah, shit. It will not bring any data for us. Okay. Any doubt, any question, any clarification required till this point? See, this is coming from the PA. Average days, reassignment times last 0 to 1, 1 to 5, 6 to 30, 31 to 90 days, and 90 plus days. From where it is coming? It is coming only and only from the PA dashboards. Priority low. If any data will be there, it will show to me. This thing. If I go here, this is a complete report. That's not an issue here for us. But no, this is again coming from PA with this filter options are here. Open pivot, pivot. Heat map. Daily 7 days, 28 days. Select the elements you want to select. Means these are the interactive filter they're putting it here. A lot of things are there in PA. PA has a separate course in it. Number of close, number of this, and at last, this is the normal one which we are seeing here. If it give me some results, no data to display. But this is coming from the PA only. All this percentage, data quality, and overview. So multiple things available. It's up to you that how you want to use and what parameter you want to use for your this thing. Coming to you guys here. All clear? Any doubt, any question, any clarification till this point? Anyone? Deepika, Sneha, Laura, Kane, Nupur, Kachi, Avi. All clear, Deepika, now? All fine?
Yes, Atul.
Good. I'm happy now, at least. Satisfaction should be there. Okay. Now let me take you a new topic. We'll not start in depth, but I'll give you a little detail for this particular part. Everybody remember that we have created okay. Everybody remember that why we have created the update sets. Yes, on the day 4 or day 5, we have done that part. Yes or no, Sneha?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, today I will show you. Sneha, just keep your instance active, which you created for me, ID in your instance. Make it as active in tomorrow morning because I'm going to use that. Okay. Now I will show you that what we captured in the update set till this point. Go here and click on the update set and open the record. You want to see what we done till now in the last 30 days? Scroll down. We had done 679 changes till date. I have given a question to you. You need to find an answer for tomorrow. What will captured in update set and what will not captured in update set? Okay. So now you can see what we have done till date. See, PA as well. We are doing the PA, right? These things. So total 679 changes. It is from the latest one only. Let me try to the latest one. This one. See what we done. Process KPIs, problem KPIs. We opened, we activated, we remove, we update. Right? These things. Then PA stock examples. Sneha, your instance is on which release? In Rome or San Diego?
It's still in ROM only.
Don't worry, it's good. We can see some good examples there. Let me go to the next screen. Field mapping. Transfer map we done, right? It is here. See. Each and every logic change you done, it is be kept here. But still question open for you guys. What is added in update set? What are not added in update set? Let me scroll a little more and show the next screen. All these things, field mapping. We deleted these things. Instance, maybe the upgrade was going on. Catalogs. This is the update set which I am using for capturing my changes. Let me go to your update sets or the child update set. Let me see what Laura done. Now it is a time for the performance. Is Laura on the call today? I said yes. Yes. So Laura done only 145 changes, not much. After 17th, she did not do anything. From the last 7 days, she's not doing anything on my instance. Right, Lara? Let me see Avi.
Yeah.
180 changes.
Oh.
He created one database view now only. He done the transform map as well little bit, but good progress, at least I can say. Kane. 225. Nice, Kane. Let's see, what was the last work Kane done? 21st of February. From the last 3 days, he's not doing anything on the system now. These are the things I was looking for. He created catalog item, good. Ankya, she left out, right? This one. Sneha. Oh, nice. 433. Good. She is doing the practice till yesterday. Great. Form layout, rule, demo, grant. Very good, Sneha. Import. She done this part as well. Transform map and all. Good. And okay, this is my online student. He did nothing till now. So these are the changes we done till now in my instance. Tomorrow we will take these changes into Sneha instance. And I will tell you that how the changes will move from one to another instance. Remember, update set work from dev to test to prod. Tomorrow the things which we done in my instance, this 679, will take it to the Sneha's instance. We'll see the service portal in Sneha's side. Maybe, okay, I'll not go for the discussion because that is for tomorrow's only. Okay, everyone clear till this point? Don't worry if you don't did the practice, that's fine, because only my changes also will be more than enough to move to the Sneha's instance, because we have a lot of things here. And now we are going to be getting a lot of errors as well, which we want to be discussing in tomorrow's discussion. So for today, what you have to do, read about PA, that is the one thing. Okay, and get ready for the update set movement. Another point. Before I make a recording close, anyone has any other question or clarification required here? Anyone? Deepika, Bhumi, Kachi, Sneha, Kane, Laura, Avi. 50% class is there. Come on.
No, it will be good.
Good to go. Okay, let me stop the recording here and take attendance now.